classic style that is associated with the wealthy elite of previous generations. It emphasizes quality, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance over trendy and flashy designs. To be old money man, you should invest in high-quality natural pieces that will last you a long time, and stick to neutral colors and patterns. Key colors is beige, brown, black, charcoal, white, navy, and green. Don't make it difficult, you can just combine these colors and you will almost always get a good mix. Also avoid one-day trends and flashy designs. Old money is built around timeless pieces that will never go out of style. Forget about the giant prints on your clothes, it will ruin your look and has nothing to do with old money. This also applies to running or basketball shoes as Jordans. I will say roughly they are contraindicated. Replace them with leather or suede sneakers, low loafers or espadrilles. Just be sure to pay attention to the materials. All things should be more premium, and the composition should be made of genuine leather or natural suede. On top, you should wear such items as Oxford shirts. A classic white or light blue Oxford shirt is a versatile piece that can be dressed up. Look for high-quality cotton or linen fabrics and make sure that shirt should fit perfectly and even be tailored to your body. Avoid baggy or overly tight ones. I also personally like a warmer creamy color, and in the summertime, these linen shirts are the perfect replacement for t-shirts and will upgrade your style at times. But that doesn't mean I'm against t-shirts. It's just that with their choice, you need to be as simple as possible, but at the same time careful. Choose good cotton and basic colors. And my main advice here is the absence of logos and prints. I also recommend polo shirts. You should also wear classic sweaters. If you can afford it, my advice is cashmere. A high-quality cashmere sweater is a luxurious piece that can be worn with chinos or dress pants. When you get hot, you can just tie a sweater over a shirt. It looks really cool. They often have good discounts in the summer, so take this into account to save your cash a little. Jeans are also timeless classic, but for old money, I still recommend replacing them with chinos and simple pants made of various materials. Rougher fabrics for the winter season, while linen is suitable for hot days. Now I want to point out the accessories. They are an important part of any outfit, and old money style is no exception. Here are some accessories that would fit well. First in line is watches. A classic watch is an essential accessory for old money aesthetics. Look for a watch with a leather strap and a simple, understated design. Also, a classic leather belt is an essential item. Look for a belt in a neutral color like brown or black, and choose a simple design with a subtle buckle. When it comes to sunglasses, the key is to choose timeless designs that complement your face shape and outfit. Wayfarers, aviators, club masters, and some squared ones is the best options in my opinion. It is also very important for the old money man to take care of his skin and hair. In my next videos, I will tell you in detail about them, so subscribe to the channel so as not to miss anything. See you later.